Let's fill out the Wisconsin ATV bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When selling an ATV in this state, here is what you need to know to get your bill of sale right. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. Both the buyer and the seller must sign the document, so make sure you have both parties present, or at least coordinated, to get those signatures in place. The seller also needs to sign and date the title itself, in the area specifically marked for the selling owner or owners. Now, for the information you will need to include. The buyer's full name, address, and telephone number are all required. You will also need to record the vehicle identification number, or VIN, so the ATV can be properly identified. The selling price must be listed on the bill of sale as well, so have that agreed-upon amount ready to write down clearly. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.